In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI to quickly outline a professional lead magnet. Let's get started. I'll begin by clicking into the search bar on the Perplexity Pro home screen to enter my first prompt. I'm asking the AI to create a detailed outline for a 2026 small business SEO checklist, specifically requesting a table of contents and 5 chapters with actionable steps. After clicking Generate, the AI quickly builds a structured guide that covers everything from technical SEO fundamentals to local search mastery and scaling results. This outline provides a perfect roadmap, breaking down complex topics like backlink building and analytics into simple, bite-sized tasks for my audience. Now I'll move down to the follow-up box to generate a second lead magnet idea. This time I'm typing in a prompt for a 7-day high-protein meal plan designed for busy professionals, making sure to include a grocery list and meal prep tips. Once I hit the arrow, Perplexity generates a comprehensive schedule that balances efficiency with nutrition, including daily meal breakdowns and time-saving kitchen hacks. The result is a highly practical resource that includes a bonus snack guide and customization suggestions, giving me a professional structure that is ready to be formatted and delivered to subscribers. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.